Want your website to rank high on Google and AI search engine like ChatGPT, Gemini? Meet SiteOptimizer Pro, AI Chrome extension that makes it easy. Every publisher a page and it doesn't rank or worry about broken links, slow loading, or missing meta tags. This tool check everything for you before you go live. Key feature: SEO audit, title, meta description, hidden keywords, broken links, all check it. AI-friendly optimize makes your content ready for AI search engine with related keyword and natural readability. Mobile performance test responsive page speed and image optimization. Technicals SEO checks robotics text, connoisseur tags, structured data, and social media tags. Reports export PDF, SCCV, or JSON and track improvement or share with clients. Why use it? Wherever you are, a blogger, freelancer, or business owner, this extension helps you coach, easiest, fast optimize your page and boost ranking all without expensive tools. Install SiteOptimizer Pro today and start improve your website and stay why. Link in description.